Welcome to IGiS CAD, a versatile 2D drafting and 3D modeling CAD software. In this video, we are going to discuss how to use the stretch command. Basically, I'll tell you what a stretch command does. We use this command to modify the size of any object, that is to modify its length, breadth and height. So, to get the stretch command, you need to navigate to the modify toolbar. Otherwise, you can also use the shortcut, which is STR, and type the command in the command box. Then it will ask to select the entity. Now you will need to select the entity in a way where the selection box intersects with the object. Please observe the screen carefully. Now click enter and select specific point to stretch the object. Here you can either stretch manually as well as input dimensions. Now if you want to compress it, go to the stretch command, select the object, press enter and specify the point from where you want to stretch and stretch it in the desired direction. In the same way, you can modify the height over here. Now I have another object, which is a window, and I want to modify the size of this portion. So what I'll do from here, I will go to the stretch command, select the entity and hit enter, and then select a specific point and stretch in this direction. This is how you use the stretch command. So with this command, you can also modify the height for this window. Also, you can use the same stretch command in the same way explained earlier to modify the door over here. Go to the modify command, select the object, hit enter, select a specific point and stretch it in the desired direction. Similarly, you can compress the door size if you want. This is how you can make use of the stretch command to modify size of various objects. Thank you for watching.